Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Imagine a speaker so versatile it fits seamlessly into every part of your life. Well, this speaker has received 4.8 out of 5 stars on Amazon, and over 10,000 have been bought in the past month alone. Introducing the JBL Flip, the ultimate portable Bluetooth speaker that brings music to life no matter where you are. With JBL's crisp sound, the Flip delivers crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass. Experience every note and beat in stunning clarity. Designed to withstand the elements, the JBL Flip is your perfect companion for the beach, poolside, or any other outdoor escapade. Its rugged design is waterproof, meaning it can handle spills, rain, and even a dip in the water. Compact and lightweight, the JBL Flip fits effortlessly into your backpack or bag. Its sleek design and vibrant color options makes it a stylish addition to any setting, ensuring you look as good as you sound. Keep the party going all day and night with you for 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or embarking on a weekend bike ride, the Flip ensures your soundtrack never misses a beat. Pair your device in seconds with Bluetooth technology and enjoy wireless streaming from your phone, laptop, or tablet. The Flip also features a built-in speakerphone, allowing you to take calls with crystal clear sound. So how exactly do you use it? You press and hold the power button until the LED indicator lights up. This indicates the speaker is turned on. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your device, then press the Bluetooth button to enter into pairing mode. The LED indicator will start blinking. On your device, select Ink Flip 5 from the list. You can control the volume and playback using the buttons on the speaker or on your device. To turn off, press and hold the power button. To charge your speaker, connect the USB-C cable to the charging port. Plug the other end of the cable into a power source like a USB wall adapter or a computer. Do not charge the speaker when it's wet. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.